It seems to say that all you see is violence in movies and sex on TV.
But we're those good old-fashioned values on which we used to rely. Laugh and cry.
I'm in a rut. Nothing thrills me anymore. I can't even think of a reason to get off the bed in the morning.
Really?
You want to know how pathetic my life is? I've seen that Behind the Music with Leif Garrett 18 times.
Hey, Leif. It's been a while.
Too long, man. I'm so sorry about everything, man. I'm so...
Ready for a bombshell? You saved my life that night, but
I was driving.
I was on a road to destruction, man. The accident may have crippled me, but I'm alive, aren't I?
Can we turn off the cameras, dude?
It's like I'm...
Correct. Thanks. Brian, you may be too inwardly focused. Try thinking about the needs of others for a change. Why don't you listen to you?